Welcome to the 4 o'clock faculty microlearning session on classroom culture. Today we're going to learn why classroom culture may be the most important thing that you focus on all year with your students. A famous quote attributed to Peter Drucker says that all that needs to be said about culture. Culture eats strategy for breakfast. You can have effective classroom management and the greatest curriculum in the world, but unless your classroom culture supports those two things, you will not be successful. Many teachers make the mistake of not spending enough time at the beginning of the year on classroom culture. Classroom management is only one part of classroom culture. The key, always focus on culture. Let's look at a 4 o'clock faculty resource that may help us to improve classroom culture. Start by rethinking rewards and consequences. Provide students with support instead of consequences. Also, provide students with intrinsic motivation instead of prizes and rewards. Another important step in improving classroom culture is treating every student as a VIP, a very individual person. Students have a variety of needs. Sometimes you need to make adjustments and provide support to meet the needs of individual students. Make sure you're doing that. Another way to improve your classroom culture is to capitalize on class meetings. Team meetings should help to model expectations and behaviors for students. It should give them a chance to problem solve within the classroom, and it should also provide them a chance to celebrate each other. And now it's time for our call to action, where you have a chance to examine your classroom culture. Let's start with a simple question. What activities do you currently do that positively impact your classroom culture? Write down a list of everything that you do that helps to impact culture. Now it's time for some forward thinking. Answer this question. What steps will you take to actively improve classroom culture? Create a checklist of the things that you will do and share it with a colleague. There's a better chance of you accomplishing those things once you share. Hopefully you're leaving with some important strategies for improving classroom culture. For more information, check out the 4 o'clock faculty post, 5 Ways to Improve Classroom Culture. Thank you for learning with us today. Be sure to check out 4o'clockfaculty.com for additional resources.